Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ikrar and you are watching Learn with Ikrar. So today's video is going to be very helpful hopefully for those of you who like to read or who would love to improve their reading skills, or maybe for the people who are thinking or start reading in English. So I am going to share my tips, advice and experience. When I was in college, I hated reading, but now the case is very different. Now I can be easily lost in any books for hours and hours. Earlier I was not able to focus. Whenever I tried to start reading in English, I thought it was so boring. I felt exhausted. But now things are a lot easier. Now you don't need to go on physical store or buy a physical book. Now we all have internet because of Jio team or Ambani sir. When you are a beginner, or the level of your English is intermediate, but your vocabulary is poor, you literally have to look up at every different word, whatever you find it difficult. So whenever you start reading, start with a dictionary, and with period of time you will notice that your vocabulary will improve, and it will improve drastically, and it will improve so much. And also it's so much easier to look up words because we have the internet. You can easily find out the pronunciation, meaning of any word now. I remember back in days when I read some articles and it was so exhausting to look up every single word in dictionary, and it took so much time. So for starter, let me tell you how I do read, how I got into this reading habit. For me, quality matters, not the quantity. Look what I mean by that. I don't care if I'm reading slowly or that I did not read 100 books a year. I'm not taking part in any race or in any competition. I like to enjoy my book. And what important for me is that I have to assimilate everything whatever is written in that book. I like to check the pronunciation because I usually read out loud. And this is the another way for me to practice my pronunciation. So if you are not in hurry or want to enjoy a book, you want to upgrade your vocabulary, want to improve in your speaking and pronunciation skill, then don't be lazy to look up every single word. Try to practice your intonation. Try to work on your vocabulary. Whenever you are reading a piece of interesting article or anything, try to stop and think about it, analyze it. By doing this, you will embed every single information into your memory. By doing this, you are concentrating, focusing, paying attention to every detail, and this will really improve your reading skills. Second effective way for reading is always make a special time for reading. Reading for fun can be done anywhere, in bus, in your bed, or at your office. You can enjoy your book. But if you want to improve your comprehension, you need to focus and study. This means you need to make a special time for your reading. By making a special time to read will help you to avoid all kind of distraction. This time will be quiet and you can read easily. Take a bright spot and start reading. You should try to spend 30 minutes every day on focused reading. The more you will read, the more you will improve. Put all your electronics aside and put them off. It might seem not important, but it is really very important, and you have to do it. Because whenever your brain knows that you are going to start reading, you are in that process, then it adapts itself according to that situation. So the third way of reading is really important for those of you who want to work on their listening skills, who want to know how to pronounce the word correctly, for whom pronunciation matters. You can buy an audio version of that book, whatever you are reading. You can listen to it and you can follow the text with your eyes when you are reading. One interesting thing, as you learn, you will progress. You know that. For example, if you take a book which you read an year ago, and when you take the book for the second time and read it again, then you will find it a lot easier. And you will find some new phrases and vocabulary in it also. Because when you are reading for the first time, you were busy, your brain was busy in understanding the book. When you read the book second time, you find it easy. Why? Because at the first time, Your brain was busy to try to understand the essence of the book. Reading these days is not an easy thing. I tell you, we have a lot of distraction nowadays. And why read if we can watch a movie, right? But I tell you, it's really very beneficial for your brain. Fourth tip, read many kind of text. Today we just don't read books and newspaper. We read a lot of things like blog, posts, tweets, emails. The more you will read, the better you will get at the language. Find an interesting magazine that you like. Follow some interesting people, or you can visit a blog you like reading. Magazine line is a good place to go. You can find a digital or print magazine there. Reddit is also very good website. You can read a lot of articles. People usually write their experience and everything. Tip number 5, set realistic goals. This is the number one thing that you must keep in your mind while you are setting your reading goals. Do not set goals that only look good, but ensure that they feel right. If you are someone who can read 100 books a year, that's great, more power to you. But do not set goal only to surpass someone else's goal. It is just pointless and it will serve no purpose to you. For myself, I set number goals that are challenging but not impossible to achieve. Mostly because I know that I have a life outside of being a reader. I work in a company, I have a YouTube channel to run, and I have some fitness goal and a brother to hang out with. So what I want is your takeaway from this video. So if you are starting out, start slowly. If you want to train your pronunciation, read out loud. If you want to read fast, practice. Look, practice is the only thing which makes you perfect. And the most important thing, be consistent. Being a good reader takes practice, just as with everything else. So that was my experience, my point of view. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for taking your time and watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure that you subscribe. And also press that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Until then, take care, goodbye, and I will see you in the next one.